Working at the car wash. Yeah. We're at a car wash, by the way.
And there ain't nothing better than the United States of America.
So yeah, we picked this up in Orem at the car wash. And we brought it down to Hutchinson Diesel, Spanish Fork. It is his truck though. Guten Morgen. We're gonna go do a tow. It's July 3rd, 1987. No, I'm just kidding. But a little update. Been cleaning up some scrap in here. Got some things reorganized. I would take the Pete, but we goofed up the winch line a little bit on a job that you will see hopefully eventually. We slowly getting this thing tore apart. Got the whole dash ripped out of it. We just got to get the HVAC system out. And then, yeah, that one's, well, we're going to pull the lift off, then we're going to scrap it, and then we're going to start throwing it all in the International. But yeah, a little reorganization up in here. Trying to clean it up. Got some of that scrap pile ripped out. But yeah, we're going to go tow a buddy of mine's truck and take it to his shop. We're going to take Kenny today. Oh, messy Kenny. Alright. We'll see you up there. Alright, we made her. Let's get this bitch loaded up. How you doing, man?
How you doing?
Doing alright. It just small start?
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck happened.
Okay.
I did this the other day and then it just randomly started back up.
Oh, okay.
But now it's not.
Dang it. Alright.
Like you turn the key and it acts like the battery's dead, but it'll crank.
Weird.
Yeah, so Scott's just like, fuck it, just have it towed.
Yeah. Alrighty. We'll get it towed then. You got the keys in it, I'm assuming?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Let's get it out of here.
Yeah, I was able to put it in gear and inch it forward, but I don't want you to try to do all this in there.
Yeah. I'd rather not get wet.
Yeah.
Working at the car wash. Yeah. We're at a car wash, by the way. And we're working at it. Mine now. These Kenworths are a little bit of a pain in the ass.
do another one here. Oh, it ain't going nowhere. Right. Well, I would just like to wish y'all a happy 250th anniversary of the United States. Because we know this is God's country. And there ain't nothing better than the United States of America. Because it allows me to do whatever the hell I want, when I want. Yeah, I prefer to tow these from the front, just because I'm more comfortable with it. But if I had some long chains, I could just sling it and we wouldn't even have an issue. But I don't have long chains. I don't have long enough. I have long enough chains. I don't have strong enough chains to do that safely. But that's okay. We're all okay. All right. Now we will grab one of these muddy turds. And we will put it in there like such. Are you riding with me back to Scott's?
If it's okay.
Yeah, that's fine. Perfect.
Sweet.
Alrighty, let's get out of here. Alright, we're loaded up here. Let's take her home. We made her, Gator. Let's get this bad Larry dropped off. Fuck. So yeah, we picked this up in Orem at the car wash. And we've brought it down to Hutchinson Diesel, Spanish Fork. It is his truck though, Hutchinson Trucking. And this guy takes such good care of his trucks. He buys very, very pretty trucks. Luckily he gave me some rags to put there on his bumper, so my bungee cords didn't gouge it. So if you saw my short little teaser that my mother-in-law made of that excavator, that video is up and coming. It's so I wasn't there originally, and so I didn't do any of the filming. That's why she did something, and she did some of it. Because I was actually in Idaho when they got the call. So when I got back, I came and helped. But yeah, by the time I got there, there was not much more we could do with the light we had. I couldn't find my cameras to even give you anything. So, but the plan is they're gonna fix the road. They're gonna throw some gravel in there so I can get both of my trucks in closer. So if you saw in the video, only one of my trucks was able to get really close. It ended up sinking, so I had to use Kenny to get the Peter car out. And yeah, I don't want to do that again. So they're going to rebuild the road. They're going to throw some gravel in that mud hole and give me a little more space, a little more traction to get that thing out. But yeah, we're gonna get her out. It's gonna be awesome. I think it'll be a pretty cool video. It's a decent sized excavator. But yeah, the owners of that excavator were calling like Heavy D and trying to get him to come out and do it. He wasn't responding, so they called me, and Paul was there in the peat like an hour, and he took his son with him, so he was able to go back and grab the other truck and have both heavies there, try and pull it out before I got there, but it wasn't happening. So yeah, we're gonna get back at that after my ramble. All right, down we go. Gracias. Aww. It's a big old meanie head. Alright, we're gonna have to pound that little shit off. Which is fine. We knew that was going to happen because it always does. They always get stuck there. Oh, so bitch. Somewhere. Oh, Daddy's got a Ram Lincoln. It's my tilt Ram. She be a Lincoln. She probably need a new seal. So that one should be fairly easy to get out. It's nice and tiny. We'll get her fixed. We'll get her fixed. We'll get her done. Mother! I'll see if I've got an old sledgy up in here. Oh, I do got an old sledgy up in here. Alright. We'll see you after I get this off. She's off. Took a little bit of doing, but we got her. Ugh. All right. Forks are off. Now we'll grab all excimal chains. Tanner. Excuse me, friend. Can you not be a son of a bitch? Thank you. Don't be a son of a bitch. Oh, ho, ho. Yeah, I'm yawning, okay? Both my children thought they wanted to snuggle with Mama last night, so I had to sleep on the couch because they were in my spot. Which is fine. They love their mama. And I get to sleep with her every night. Well, every night she's not working. So it's only fair I let them hang out with their mama when they want to hang out with their mama. Even if that means I get less sleep. And we're done. Just like that. Super easy peasy, super beautiful, super cover girl. Yeah. That's how you tow a Kenworth from the rear. And now you know. We got it here safely. No damage, no nothing. If you like this kind of stuff, I've got a whole playlist of heavy duty towing. Go through and give it a watch. If you enjoy it, throw a like down. If not, I don't care. Everything here is free except the towing. Appreciate you coming along. And peace out.